attention, please.
When ghosts are present, practicing their terror with foolish delight. Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in that corruptible, mortal state. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive.
Pretty ghosts come out to such.
Now close your eyes and try to hide or stay swoop, facing all your sign.
Alrighty, how was Pirates, Jungle, and Haunted Mansion? I know that was a little out of order. I apologize if it got a little blurry here and there. It's just because I was switching between manual and auto, and at one point I hit the ring on accident, so I apologize for that. But we've already ridden 3 rides, and it's not even 9 o'clock. We've hit the whole left side of the park. We're headed over to Big Thunder Mountain. I don't know if I'm going to film it. I'm going to try to do it with my phone. There's no way with the gimbal. We tried that on Radiator Springs, and the gimbal just screams and yells at me. So we're headed to Thunder. Then I think we're going to head into Fantasyland, because we're going to try to have lunch in Star Wars at Docking Bay 7. So we kind of want to stay on this side of the park. So we're going to wander. There's no crowd. It's 9 o'clock and it's empty. So it could be a day where we ride a lot, we sit and relax, enjoy everything that Disneyland has to offer. So before we hit Thunder, this is like a new trend for Disney merchandise. Check this out. This is what it looks like. And bam, like magic. They're the 2-sided sequins.
How would you wash this, guys?
Yeah, explain to us how you would wash this. So here's this one. Especially this one's all shiny, and when you put it the other way, it kind of just disappears. Is Ashley gonna try? See, it just kind of almost disappears. And there's also this purse that was extremely hard for me to do, and I don't have a good history with sequins, so she gonna try it? Yeah. And then here's the shirt again. But again, it's like this new trend to do the 2-sided sequins. And we were both wondering, how do you wash it?
can go on sand.
Horseshoes.
Let's go on that one.